Are you looking for the best sewing tables? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Arrow Sewing Kabinets Gidget. This Arrow Sewing Cabinet sewing table will perfectly fit your sewing machine in the opening. Most importantly, this sewing table has an adjustable platform. This feature makes the table compatible with different heights of a machine. In addition to this, the table will fit in any space. It has a simple yet sophisticated design that will not ruin the look of your room or workstation. Make your sewing experience complete with this sturdy and stable sewing table. Equally important, the table is built with melamine, MDF. Also, melamine is widely used to construct furniture due to its durable and strong quality. The table has legs made of steel. Because of the strong construction material and steel legs, the table is extremely stable and sturdy. Rather than struggling with the assembly of the table, look for an easy-to-assemble sewing desk. Because of this reason, this table is particularly good and convenient to use. At number 2, Sauder Sewing Craft Cart in Soft White. The Sauder Sewing Craft Cart is probably the most diverse yet affordable sewing tables in the market. First of all, the table comes in a variety of two very good-looking colors. You can choose between soft white color and cinnamon cherry finish. The table will blend in well with your interior. Moreover, the table is also extremely spacious. It has a number of storage options. For example, it has 2 adjustable shelves that can help you stay organized. Also, there are 2 storage bins. If you are a messy sewer who is always losing their things, this is probably the best table for you. The table is constructed with melamine. The surface material of the table is completely scratch-resistant and durable. This is equally important if you want a table for everyday regular use. This table will last you a long time. Another great feature this sewing table has is the drop leaf feature. Want additional free space on the table? Just fold the drop leaf and work on larger projects easily. At number 3, Studio Designs 13333 Sewing Desk. If most of your sewing projects consist of large fabrics, this table may be the one for you. It has a wide workspace that is 56.75 inches. This wide and spacious sewing table seems like the best PTION for professionals. Moreover, the platform of the table is also fully adjustable. Indeed, the desk is compatible with all sizes of machines. The table is also space-saving with its foldable feature. You can easily store the table when it's not in use. Additionally, the table also has a drop leaf feature that lets you fold the drop leaf for extra space. This table will perfectly accommodate your large fabrics. Most importantly, you also don't have to worry even a little about any mess due to the table's spacious storage options. It has 3 folding storage shelves as well as storage drawers. This is a versatile sewing table that you can use as a hobbyist, home sewer, or even a professional. It also has a sophisticated design and color combination of black and white. Certainly, it will enhance your sewing experience and your workstation as well. At number 4, South Shore Craft Table. South Shore is known for manufacturing furniture using the most environment-friendly and non-toxic material. This open and closed storage sewing table is also another high-quality sewing table by South Shore. First of all, the table is made up of non-toxic, laminated particle board. This material is made from recycled components and is also cheaper than melamine or real wood. The lamination also gives a very professional and sophisticated look to the table. Moreover, the table is multi-purpose and can be used for more than just sewing. You can keep it in your home and use for multiple things including arts and crafts. It has spacious storage options. Sliding opening and closing drawers are spacious. Most importantly, it also has storage compartments and shelves that can be used to store a lot of material. The sewing table comes with a warranty of 5 years. The warranty will cover all damages and replacement costs. At number 5, South Shore Crea Craft Table. South Shore's one best quality is that their product range is extremely diverse. Their tables have all kinds of different features and qualities. Thus South Shore sewing tables are highly competitive in the market. Again, this is a craft table by South Shore that is made of environment-friendly laminated particle board. Probably the best table for you if you want to remain responsible while you practice your sewing passion. The table also has wheels. As a result, this will allow you to move the table around very easily. The sturdy and spacious work area of the table is completely scratch-proof and water-resistant. Therefore, it will last you a long time. Because of the large workspace, you can easily work on large-sized projects. If you are a messy sewer and have a much unorganized workstation, this table is for you. It has vast storage options. It has a smooth sliding shelf which has removable dowels. Most importantly, it has 3 drawers that you can use to manage your supplies. At number 6. Kangaroo Kabinets K8611. This Kangaroo Kabinets K8611 table will adjust with different heights of sewing machines. The platform has 3 adjustable positions. Moreover, the table has a simple and professional appearance. It will not stand out or look odd with your other furniture. There is also a wide room for you to set a tool and sit on it while sewing comfortably. Most importantly, this Kangaroo Cabinet sewing table has 2 doors in the front that close and cover your sewing supplies and materials. You can also lock the cabinet doors for safety. This is perfect for home use because of the lockable doors. For instance, if you have children around the house, it's safe to lock the door so that they don't reach it. The table also has spacious storage options. It has 2 drawers, a large bin, and 4 swivel trays. Organize your sewing supplies all in one place and have them easily accessible while you sew. At number 7. Giantex White Folding Sewing Craft Cart. This is the table you are looking for. The Giantex sewing table has all the essential features that make your sewing experience convenient. It is constructed from solid MDF material that ensures its stability and durability. Moreover, the table has 5 wheels. You can easily move the table around from one stop to another. The table is perfect for you if you do not have a proper space for sewing. Even in a limited space, the table will fit well because of its foldable and compact design. The storage bins are attached to the front. Consequently, you get easy access to your things while you are busy sewing. As a result, your sewing station will remain much more tidy and organized. Conveniently close or open the doors of the table with its knob. This sewing table will perfectly sit with your house's interior. At number 8. Southern Enterprises Sewing Table. This sewing table by Southern Enterprises has a simple yet efficient and satisfying design and set of features. Moreover, the table has lockable wheels. You can use these to move the table around and simply lock the wheels when not in use. As a result, the table will be convenient for home use. The table has a wide and spacious working area. This will allow you to work on larger-sized projects and quilts easily. Most importantly, this table is perfect for you if you have limited space. It has a foldable and compact design that won't require much space. The table can hold up to 30 pounds, which means that it can withstand the weight of most sewing machines. Most noteworthy, the table also has a wide space under the tabletop and a foot rest area. Compact and space-saving. Has storage options including shelves and trays. Wheels allow easy movement. Wide tabletop and work area.